Wondering what you could do with a 150 to 200 square meter lot here at V at Southern Plains? You better watch this video. We're gonna feature a 3-floor model unit with 5 bedrooms, 6 toilet and bath, and 2 carports, which is IV Model House. So tara, pasukin na natin. Wow! This is the IV Model House. It's sitting on a 150 square meter lot. And look what you can do. May indoor garden siya, and ito yung receiving area. Parang nakakalaki talaga ng feeling pag mga floor to ceiling yung window. So, ang laki ng naitutulong ng natural light and ventilation. Kita nyo pa lang, dito pa lang sa may dining table natin, ang ganda ng spotlight ng sun. Kasi nga, ang roofing natin dito is glass. So, kitang-kita talaga, hindi na makakatipid tayo sa Meralco dito. Kasi hindi na natin masyado kailangan magbukas ng ilaw. So, ngayon, let's go to the kitchen. This is my favorite part here sa unit na to. Kasi, of course, as a wife, no, and as a future mother, wow, future mother manifest natin yan. Pag nag-avail kayo here kay V at Southern Plains. So, meron na siyang kasamang countertop and of course, overhead cabinets. So, very strategic yung pagkaka-layout nila nung unit na to. Kasi, sakto, habang prepare ako ng lunch or dinner dito, nakikita ko yung guest ko, or even, pwede na akong maglagay dito nung mga hain or like mga food para parang buffet style na lang. Then, kuha sila dito para doon tayo kakain sa kitchen table. So, let's go to the laundry area. Akalain nyo, ang laundry room ganito kalaki. So, pasukin na natin siya. So, naglalaba ka pero very premium, no? Kasi may couch ka pa. Pwede ka pa nga maglagay ng cabinet dito pag pumasok ka. So, meron na din tayo dito mga hangers or shelf para, syempre, pagkatupi natin, direkta hanger. Tapos, katabi na din ito yung maid's room natin. So, pakita ko na lang siya sa B-roll natin. Hindi na natin siya pasukin. Then, of course, dito naman sa kabilang side, we also have a toilet and bath for our maid or for our helper here sa bahay. So, mas madali for her or him na magawa ang mga gawaing bahay kasi malapit na lang din. Or habang nag-aantay ng laundry, syempre, nakakapagpahinga si ate. So, tara, taas na tayo. So, sa first floor, wala tayong bedroom besides the maid's room. So, punta tayo sa second floor wherein we have our master's bedroom and another bedroom. I really love their stairs kasi pag umaakyat ka, hindi mo masyado na-feel yung pressure sa thighs mo. Kasi parang yung pagkaka-built din ng stairs is very friendly siya for older people na makaakyat kasi parang maliit lang yung steps that you have to take. Tapos sakto yung spacings niya. So tara, pasukin natin yung unang bedroom. So here you can see the first bedroom. It also has its own toilet and bath. So, meron na din siyang cabinet dito. So, hindi nyo na kailangan mag-worry kung ano kaya mag-fit na cabinet dito. Meron na siyang kasama. So, tara, punta naman tayo sa second bedroom. So, ito perfecto for our panganay, no? If ever man na we are living here with our family. So, maganda siya na sa panganay natin siyang ibigay na bedroom. And then, katabi nun is our master's bedroom. So, tara, grabe, this is the perfect bedroom for me. Kasi ako talaga mahilig ako sa parang tropical vibes. So parang medyo beach vibes, very lax ang theme or kaya interior design nito, no? So ang ganda ng layout at design talaga nila. And here, you have a much more space for your cabinets. So, buong wall dito sa front ko is puro cabinet. So, I think if ever man na may partner kayo or asawa, no, pwede tayong tigdalawang cabinet here. So, try natin magbukas ng isang cabinet, no, para makita nyo. So, ayan. Ang daming space for our bags, for our suits, and for other accessories. So, ito. Yung isang cabinet is talagang for mga clothes siya na pang rack talaga. So, here naman sa may side, ito naman yung parang mini office table natin. So, nakaka-premium or nakakalaki din talaga sa area dahil glass yung table natin. So, it doesn't look too congested kasi parang pagkakita mo dun sa design, it's parang ano lang, seamless. Seamless, parang beach lang na parang ito yung sand, then papunta sa ocean. Ocean? Ocean talaga. Then dito, papunta na nga tayo sa ocean. Papunta sa toilet and bath. We have our his and hers sink, and we also have our ensuite toilet and bath. Then, here, dahil ito nga ang master's bedroom, we have an access to the balcony. So, syempre, ang ganda naman na pag lalabas tayo, no, to have a fresh of breath air, and of course, para magmuni-muni, gusto natin talaga magkaroon ng sarili nating balcony. So, tara, pasokin natin to. So, yeah, we're here sa balcony. So, kita nyo naman ang laki ng mga furnitures na pwede nyo ilagay dito. Pwede kayong maglagay ng daybed, pwede kayo dito mag-scribble, o kaya maglagay ng yoga mat if gusto nyo mag-yoga in the morning, or mag-reflect, of course, mag-meditate. And if ever man na gusto nyo mag-afternoon tea, connecting to dun sa common balcony na ng second floor mismo. So, dito, pwede tayo mag-tea time, magchikahan, magmaritesan muna with our amigas. So, if ever man din na nagsiscribble kayo or like nagagawa ng assignments yung mga anak nyo, pwede silang dito gumawa ng assignments sila. Or pwede tayo maglagay din actually dito ng mga fairy lights if gusto nyo para maganda din yung paggabi pag dito tayo tatambay. So, tara, punta na tayo sa third floor. We're on our way to the third floor, no? Pero, alam nyo guys, kahit tinutour ko kayo sa isang 3-floor na house and lot, hindi ako napapagod. Tapos hiningal. Pero, hindi siya parang masakit sa muscles kung kanina pa akong paakyat baba dito sa house na to, no? So, papunta na tayo sa 4th bedroom natin. Third pala. Sorry, guys. So, ayan. Kita nyo naman, dito naman, is parang beach vibes pa rin. Pero ito naman, ang theme naman niya, sa tingin ko yung sa may mga cave. So, perfect to para sa mga younger generations. Kasi of course, akit ka pa ng 3rd floor. Pero this is optionable naman, guys. Pwede siyang bungalow type, 1 floor lang, o kaya hanggang 2nd floor lang, or if malaki ang family natin, up to 3rd floor. So, hindi na kayo mapapagalitan ng parents nyo, no? Kidding aside, let's go on to our 4th and last room. So, ito naman, it's our lounge room. Pero pwede nyo din siya maging guest room. So, pakitin muna natin ang mga guests natin for the exercise. So, ang ginawa nila dito is really a lounge room with its own toilet and bath. So, I think pwede kayong maglagay dito ng, I think, day bed na pwedeng magkaroon ng pull-out mattress such as these. So, if ever man, kung malaki talaga yung family nyo, pwede kayong mag-convert nito to another room. O kaya, gawin nyo siyang gaming area, o kaya gym area, or even a cinema room. So, yun, parang sa akin, yun yung parang peg ko. If I were to do this na 3 floors yung bahay ko, siguro yung pinaka-top floor, since andito na din yung view deck, maganda na magkaroon tayo dito ng cinema room. That's just me. So, just like the master's bedroom, connecting din to sa balcony natin. Itong balcony na to, connecting din siya sa common balcony natin, just like sa 2nd floor. So, tara! So, ayan, may bago na naman tayong balcony to be a lounge area. So, kung meron tayong mga bisita na sa baba, o kaya kung andun na si mommy at daddy sa second balcony, sa may second floor, no, dito natin i-invite yung friends natin. Pwede tayong maglagay dito ng sidebar. Tapos, perfect na perfect yung tall table natin dito. So, again, may access to dun sa alley natin o kaya common hallway, sa hallway natin sa third floor. So, that's about it, guys. Ito na, we have 5 bedrooms including the maid's room, and all of the rooms has its own toilet and bath. So, hindi nyo na kailangan bumaba or umakyat para magkaroon ng CR or maligo, no? Kasi kanya-kanya tayo may privacy na may sariling toilet and bath. Then, of course, baba na tayo. So, for anyone who's interested to avail a unit like this, Ivy, so, if ever man na mag-avail kayo ng 3 floors na Ivy model na nasa 209 square meter lot, ang total contract price would be at 35.169 million. Then, if i-pay natin to ng 100% spot cash within 1 month, no, we have 9% discount, then additional discount of 2%. Of course, subject to approval. Depende sa current promo price natin. Then, of course, ang handover fee natin would be 3%, so nasa around 939,000. Then, ang pinaka magiging total contract price na natin would be at around 32.2 million. So, very affordable na siya. Ang reservation fee natin would only be 100,000. So, para to reserve this unit, you only need 100K and sa'yo na to. So, the rest, you have 30 days pa naman para makapag-pay in spot cash. So, we also have spot 30% for 5% discount. We also have spot 20% for 3% discount. And of course, deferred cash within 12 months. For that, we also have 7% discount. So, if the deferred cash natin siya ng 12 months, you have to pay on a monthly basis ng 2.7 million or 2.8 million to be exact. Then sa first down payment natin or sa first month natin, after ng reservation fee na 100,000, we have to pay the 33 million para syempre makonstruct na din yung house natin. Then, of course, we have deferred cash in 24 months or 2 years. So, after 100,000 na reservation fee, we only have to pay 1.44 million for 24 months. So, for deferred cash na 24 months, we have 5% discount. Then, we also have 30% or 20% down payment payable in 12 months. And of course, ang pinaka-stretch natin is 30% or 20% payable in 24 months. So, let's check kung magkano pag 20% tapos payable in 24 months. That would only be 369,200 pesos on a month-to-month basis for 24 months after natin mag-reserve ng 100,000. So, magkano naman if ever ilo-loan ko to up to 20 years? So, yung balance natin would be 27.57 million. Ilo-loan natin siya ng 20 years. Ang estimated natin na monthly amortization would be at 230,000. So, mas maliit na lang siya sa ating monthly down payment. So, kung nakaya nyo yung monthly down payment, of course, kakayanin nyo tong monthly amortization natin kay bank. So, guys, sobrang ganda ng Ivy model house natin. I think it's really worth the price. Given na parang maliit lang yung square meter or like yung lot size, pero ganito pala yung mga pwede kong gawin. Pwede pa pala akong magkaroon ng 2 carport, ng 5 bedroom, ng 3 floors, tapos may indoor garden pa ako. Nakaka-premium talaga yung bawat interior design and layout, yung fixtures, yung finishes nitong model unit na to. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed touring you around. If you want to know more about this project, you can message me on WhatsApp, Viber, and even on iMessage at +63919 098 4918. And follow me on all of my socials at Gwen C Properties on TikTok, Instagram, and even on Facebook. Since you're already here, might as well like, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be more updated on our latest videos because guys, I'll see you there. Again guys, this is Gwen C, your trusted Gen Z realtor here in the South.